Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a fashion model and a general artist. I love colorful makeup, especially indie makeup. Today I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. I just want to sit down and play with makeup. I have a few Lethal Cosmetics palettes in front of me, so I don't know if I'm going to use one or all of them, but I have this color story here. I have this palette, which is more earthy. I probably won't pull much from that, if anything. I definitely absolutely love this shade though. And then I also have this palette here, if I can get it open, which I'm absolutely definitely drawn to this mint green and this purple as well. Even that blue is really stunning. I do want to pull some depth into this. I know I want to use some light, some dark. I was inspired by a photo that I saw on Instagram where basically someone did a cut crease and the crease was pretty dark and there was a mid-tone above that, but then the lid was still bright and poppy. And I don't want to do exactly that. I rarely ever copy something. I like to be inspired by things, but then put my own twist on it. So that's definitely what I'm going for today, but I have no idea what the end result is going to be. I just want to have fun with it. A lot of times that is my makeup process. I sometimes have a general idea of what I want to do, but I allow myself to let it unfold in the moment and just flow with it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I've already done my base. I did the usual, and yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going in with the shade Yonder, and it's kind of like a seafoam green color. It's a matte, and I'm going in with a fluffy brush and placing that on the inner portion of the crease area on both sides of the eye. This is from the Skyward and Landfall collection, but the way that Lethal Cosmetics works is you can also just buy these individually and create your own custom palette as you want. If you choose to buy their pre-made packages, then you do save some money that way, so that's basically why I did it that way. Next I'm going in with the shade Outrun, and this is a matte blue, like a mid-tone, like sky blue kind of color, and I'm placing that in the center crease area on both sides. Now I'm going in with the color Surge, which is also from the Skyward and Landfall collection, and this is a similar toned blue, but it's slightly darker, and I'm placing that in the outer corner, basically the V of the eye, and I am extending that color outward some. And also the previous color is from the After Dark collection. Color Eden, which is also from the Skyward and Landfall collection, and I'm placing that closer to the actual crease and keeping it in that area to add depth and dimension, and this is where I'm adding some darkness to the look. And now I'm going in with the color Imago, which is a deep kind of rusty red matte color from the Hive collection. And I'm placing this also close to the crease, but more on the inner section of the eye. And I just wanted to throw in a different color here. And now once again from the Skyward and Landfall collection, I'm going in with the color Descent on the lid, with a flat brush, and this is a beautiful shimmery lilac color. So at this point, I realized that I forgot recording. I had placed the color Altitude, which is a nice periwinkle color, on the inner portions below the eye. And now I'm just going in with the color Night Call, which is a lovely purple shade. And next I'm going to be placing the color Mainframe, which is a beautiful shimmery kind of red-violet color. Once again, going in with the Skyward and Landfall collection, I'm taking the shade Celestial and using that as the brow highlight. It's a beautiful icy green color. And now I'm going in with the color Vertex from the Hive collection. It's a beautiful acid green shimmery color, and I'm using that as the inner eye highlight. And now I am just curling my eyelashes, and I will be going in with, as usual, the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And now I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze in the shade Tantric. And as usual, just placing that on the cheeks, around the nose, the hairline, and the jawline. And now I'm going in with the Becca Light Chaser Opal Chases Jade highlighter. It's one of the most unique shades I have in my highlighter collection. It's kind of it's hard to describe, but it's like a champagne color with a beautiful green shift. And I just thought that would be the perfect complement to this look. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia lipstick, the matte lipstick, in the color Insomniac, which is a really cool kind of teal shade. It's not fully opaque, but it's mostly opaque. And now I am just placing the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk on top of that to add some shine. So this is the final look. I wanted to do something more artsy today, and I think I definitely achieved that. And I normally do a nude lip, so I thought, why not change it up? I already did so much on the eyes, and that's normally the reason why I do a neutral lip, but today I thought, why not just go all the way? And I enjoyed this. I think that it definitely fits my aesthetic of Alien Mermaid Barbie. And yeah, I think it's really fun, and I'm gonna try to hurry and put a look together so I can take some photos. Again, I have no idea what I even want to wear, but I'm gonna put something together. And until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.